So let's now create a new function which is going to check if a file exists or not. So here I'm going to create a new function called def, and then it's going to be called does file exist, and then it's going to obviously take the path, and then it's going to check if that file exists or not. So to check if a file exists or not, you can simply use the OS and then path, and then dot is file, and pass the path, and then you can return the result, because this is file is gonna return true or false. So let's check if a file exists or not by calling this does file exist, and then I'm gonna pass the path, which is wiki and then test.txt, and let me save, and in our terminal let me run our script, and obviously it's going to print nothing because this is just gonna return true or false. So we can use the print in order to print true or false. So let me again save, and then run our script one more time, and as you can see it's going to say here true because this file exists. So if we remove this file, let's remove this file, delete file, and let's run our script again. As you can see, it's going to return false. So this function works perfectly, and it's going to return true or false depending upon the existence of a file inside a specific directory.